I am Mehmet Avcı and I'm coming from Turkey. This is my 18th years in China and this is my 4th years in Guangzhou and I'm coming from South China University of Technology. I almost going to graduate from marketing major. 我04年和家里人一起来到深圳，因为那时候第一次接触到中国，跟电影里面所说的完全不一样，感觉到了中国人非常多，很繁华。其实我没有来广州之前，在我第一印象里面，广州就是广交会，因为父亲经常来这边参加广交会，还有做贸易啊，反正对广州的印象都非常好。我来中国是来学中国的文化学知识，在广州你可以得到那个历史的气氛，只要你去发现那些建筑都比较老，给人带来一种历史感。广州有很多非物质文化遗产，刺绣也是我第一次看到人们用一个线一针一针的画出画面，非常不可思议。And I would like to recommend Guangzhou to anyone that want to come here. If you're looking for the business in China, you have to come Guangzhou. Because every year here we'll have Canton Fair. If you're looking for the history, you also have to come here. Because here has more than 2,000 years history. Welcome to Guangzhou.